Hi everyone, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a simple and special protection prayer beads. We will be using 16 pieces of 14 mm rainbow obsidian beads and then 6 pieces of 8 mm rainbow obsidian, both a top grade with nice rainbow sheen, and then 0.8 mm brown braided cords. Why use brown instead of black? Because I don't want to look all black at the first glance on it. Since 14 mm beads are quite large and it will be a little heavy, so I will use 2 cords this time. Okay, now we get a cord about 40 inches in length, and then I will pull out the cord string from the cord so we can thread the beads more easily. Here's the cord string. Okay. And then we fold the cord in half. The first step, we use the open end needle to thread the large beads first. You can use larger beads, or you can use 20 beads, or your own preference. Okay, we adjust the beads a little bit, make sure they are in the center position. Okay, and then tie a knot on each side. Okay, and then this side. Okay, like this. And then we prepare another cord of about 7 inches, and let's make an adjustable knot. This knot is very often used in the braided jewelry. Okay, I'm gonna make one more knot. Don't cut all the string. Oops. then burn it. Oh, it's so windy. Press, and then this side, we do the same. And press. Okay. And then let's make the second part. We thread 3 beads here. Okay, what about this part? Okay, we have to burn the cord to make the needle. Okay, thread 3 beads. Alright, for the extension, I think I will make 3 inches for each side. And then tie a knot here. Cut and burn. Same for this side. Okay, cut and burn. Okay, simple, isn't it? This kind of protection prayer beads can be hung on the door, or you can put it in your car, forming a protective cover for your family or your home. And of course, you can also use amethyst or tie-dye stone or other healing stones to make it according to your preference. In fact, in the process of making the braided knots, you can use very simple ways to create different and special jewelry styles. So enjoy your jewelry making. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.